Hello and welcome to a misty morning here in beautiful Nova Scotia. I'm here at what was my spinach bed. Absolutely great harvest this year, massive leaves from this beautiful spinach, lots and lots of it too, but now the weather's warmed up, the spinach has decided to bolt. So I'm taking this out. But what I wanted to show you was, I took the chance before, as the spinach was growing, to sow some Swiss chard in the rows in between the spinach. So as the spinach was growing up, the Swiss chard was germinating and just starting to get itself going, and now it's ready to get rid of the spinach. I've got the Swiss chard growing in here, and now I'll make use of the extra light and the extra moisture that will be available to it to grow on really strongly. But the good thing is, I've given them a head start by planting them in between the rows of the spinach. And you can do that with lots of different plants. Like if you're growing carrots, you can sow some rows of carrots, and you can sow some radish in between, and or some lettuce even. And carrots being a slow growing plant and slow germinating, the radish, you can turn that around in just over a month or so. So something for you to think about. Make use of the rows in between your plants, whether it be sowing a slow growing plant in between some fast growing ones, or some fast growing plants in between some slow growing ones. Job's a good one.